Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and securing your data. First, enable Install Unknown Apps so APKs can run. This is necessary because Huawei phones may block sideloads by default. Once done, export contacts and photos to local storage or a working cloud to avoid loss. Now download the core APK files, GMS Core, Google Play Services, and the Play Store onto your device or SD card. You do this first to keep the sequence correct and avoid dependency errors. You proceed by installing the APKs in the precise order. GMS Core first, then Google Play Services, then the Play Store. Order matters so dependencies register. During installation, make sure to grant every runtime permission and allow background activity for Play Services. These permissions let accounts sync and notifications work. Once the packages are installed, reboot the phone so the Android system can register services and run optimizations. After reboot, open the Play Store so it can finalize setup. You finish by signing into the Play Store with your Google account. Follow any two-step verification prompts if active. Once signed in, update Play Services and apps, then set defaults for Mail, Maps, and Search so links open with Google Apps. Make sure sync is enabled for Contacts, Calendar, and Drive. If something fails, clear cache and app data for Google Play Services and the Play Store, then reboot. This usually fixes registration and sign-in errors. If issues persist, repeat installs in order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.